Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here at Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today's video is on a cosmetic restore here done for Jimmy. It's number 142. It's a 1967 6 horsepower for Jimmy. Cosmetic meaning it's not made to run, made to look new, and I did. Gave her a great paint job with vintage outboard paints. Redid cowling, decals, prop. Made to look new. Kind of proud of it. It came out really nice. Really shiny and looks good. All prettied up inside, fuel lines, carburetor cleaned, spark plugs new. Looks like new. I assume this is an heirloom for Jimmy's family, and she's ready to be picked up, Jimmy. Let me know when you can come get her. Watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please click on subscribe and tell all your friends about T-Mike's Vintage Outboards YouTube channel. Also, I have dozens of links below in the description. You can find my eBay store, all the parts I have in there. You can find my trusted T-Mike parts, where I make kits for fuel pump conversions, for your carburetors, for your magnetos and your gear cases. You also have a link for my mail-in repair service, how to send me your parts to repair and send them back to you. Also a link in there for technical consulting if you need some help with your vintage motors. So I love what I do. I love all the videos that you guys have requested for me to make. Keep the requests coming in, and I'll keep making the videos. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.